Everybody, this is Charles Verhoff, CEO of World Class Media. And what I got for you is very cool. I am showing you my YouTube channel and what currently, now YouTube changes this a lot, but I'm showing you how to start a free live event, right? And I use this software to create my webinars. I use that with PowerPoint. Right here you can see I have PowerPoint going. And I have a new live event. So basically what you do is you click on this new live event button and you say, go live now. And then you click start Hangout on air. Now I've already started it. That's why you see it's all red right here. And I am recording live to YouTube via my laptop. And what I basically did is I went to Google Hangouts. You go over here to screen share, click on this green button, and then you say, share my screen, right? I'm going to show you how I do this. I share my screen. Okay. And then I shrink it. I go over here to PowerPoint, and I launch my PowerPoint software. So this is how to make and save thousands of dollars on webinars. And I think this will be super useful for you. I use YouTube. It is seamless. They have billions and billions of views every day on their website, and they make sure everything is taken care of, and it is completely free. So you can just record directly to YouTube. I'm going to show you how to take your business from 1 to 10 million in this series. This is on webinars and how to create webinars that are super valuable. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to save thousands of dollars on webinars, how to take your business from 1 to 10 million with video. Hint, this software is completely free. How to sell in video, how to download this free template, which I will give you on sales, and how to break down your product, right? And I'm going to let you memorize one sentence that will help you sell online with video. Now, people will do anything to encourage dreams, justify failures, allay fears, and throw rocks at their enemies. People will do anything for you. All right. Who am I? My name is Charles Verhoff. I'm the CEO of World Class Media. I've helped build websites up to 12 million visits per month, and I've managed digital marketing budgets of 1.5 million per year. I'm going to show you how to attract your ideal clients with minimal effort. So press play, turn up your speakers, and let's get started. Secret number 1, how to sell in video. Here's your first secret. Facebook has 2 billion users now. You can find and attract your ideal clients with video on Facebook. It's not as hard as other gurus and companies make it seem. You can record video directly from your phone, which is quite high quality. I have an iPhone 8 or 9. I don't think there is a 9. I think it's an 8. So you can record video on your phone directly to Facebook now. And the trick is to start. Procrastination is the biggest killer of wealth. You want to create a webinar, start with a webinar. I mentioned this in the first episode where I talked about everything goes through 3 stages. It goes from crappy to good to great, right? So when you create your webinar, you should plan to make 3 versions of it. Do your first version right away and start using it. Figure out what you can improve on. Do your second webinar, make it good. Plan to do a 3rd webinar and make that one great, right? The problem is you're procrastinating. You never got to your first webinar. You have to go through each one of those gates, right? I don't think there is another way to do it. Steven Spielberg's first video was when he was in college and there were kids, running around, and it sucked, to be frank. You don't go from good to great immediately. You have to pass through those two gates. All right. That's not saying that Steven Spielberg isn't naturally gifted in his storytelling, but it took him a while to get there. Picasso painted thousands of paintings, or he practiced. I can tell you he practiced a lot, right? Some gurus will tell you it's difficult, and I'll show you how to do it super effectively and easily. So would you like to get clients for under $1? I'm going to show you how to sell in your videos. Template I use for posts. Now you can download this free checklist. I'm going to give you a free checklist on how to create posts and content, and it's super valuable. It's helped me create all my top articles, and it'll show you how to find and attract your ideal clients. I'll take you step by step through creating a system for attracting and signing up your ideal clients. And I want you to just enter your name and email address, and I'll download that checklist for you. And I want you to memorize this next statement. This is secret number 3. And it's from Blair Warren, and it's one sentence persuasion course. So people will do anything for those who encourage their dreams, justify their failures, allay their fears, confirm their suspicions, and help them throw rocks at their enemies. I'm going to read that again. People will do anything for those who encourage their dreams, justify their failures, allay their fears. Allay, by the way, means to reduce or to set at ease, right? To allay their fears, to reduce their fears, basically, confirm their suspicions, and help them throw rocks at their enemies. All right, so you can even break this down, and that's how I do it in my PowerPoints. I'll say, okay, how can I encourage people's dreams? How can I justify their failures? How can I reduce their fears? And how can I confirm their suspicions and help them throw rocks at their enemies? Super powerful, right? Imagine if you could do that in one sentence. Wouldn't you like to persuade people with one sentence? I recommend you memorize this, write it down, memorize it, and you will become a much better influencer with one sentence persuasion. All right? So you want help with all this? I want you to be able to change your business model, and I want to help you do it. If you'd like help with this, I have 2 choices. I can make a cheap course and sell it without giving assistance, or I could actually help walk you through this. If you want help doing this and building an online system, then you can apply to work with me to help build your system. Just go to worldclassmedia.com/apply. In the next episode, we're going to talk about video marketing, how to give your viewers an aha moment. And it can be done with a single question. Stay tuned for the next episode.